along with I have that course available for anybody who wants to join whatever features and options course. Very deep, goes very lengthy, giving you a solid introduction to this stuff. Without it and understanding it, I just don't know how you can expect to get into this field. There's also machine learning operations, how that impacts quantitative research. Um, we also have, because everything's all derivatives, is really what it boils down to, options and futures, and all the different types of strategies that can come out of it. And how does deep learning affect that? On top of that, now what I'm saying here is based upon what I've seen and what AI is spitting back out in answers and code generation. A lot of it is around these derivatives. Okay. So here you're going to be kind of surprised. So these are your general systematic trading strategies, but what's happening is a lot of the um, uh, players out there. I'll be doing a webinar on this on how a lot of the HFT does gold trading. So if you're doing some form of arbitrage, usually they're going to use an ETF to compare their strategy and their combined option or set of options and futures against the arbitrage it against the gold ETF, GLD, or whatever. That's an example here. Okay, so that does happen. We also have crypto quant strategies as well. Just another alert out there. This week, I'll also be doing a very deep dive into how the HFT shops trade high frequency, how they trade specifically Bitcoin for the volume and liquidity that Bitcoin has now. But remember, that's all unregulated, especially specifically if you're trading on a unregulated um, exchange, namely Binance or Deribit. Um, so there's some funkiness going on there. I can't say which or why, but if you attend the webinar on that, uh, you'll be able to understand what I'm speaking about. That's all done in C++, by the way. On top of that, all I can say, if you're one of these hardcore crypto traders, Ethereum, Bitcoin, Solana, XRP, whatever, all I can tell you is that those markets are very manipulated. Say it again. Those markets are manipulated. Like it or not, I've done this. I've done the deep dive into it. I can guarantee you, if you knew what I reveal in that webinar, you'll know exactly what I mean. And that will be Tuesday or Thursday night. Can't remember which one, but that playback and both playbacks will be put behind my paywall, just so you know. The other big one that will type of systematic trading that will do very well is tail risk. So if you're on either tail of the normalized distribution and pricing, um, it can do very, very well for you if you get the call right. So there's some examples in that as well.